All right, Brian here with Saigon Cribs. We have an amazing apartment to tour for you today. Look at this beautiful 2-bedroom. This is an awesome apartment at Central Garden in Benton District. Fully furnished, fully equipped with luxury modern appliances and fixtures. This is the ultimate pad. Look at this view. As you step out to the patio, you're facing the Vent Home Central Park, Landmark 81. Look at this. This apartment comes with everything you need. Ready to move in. Nice dining seating area here. Also gives you, because this is a wraparound balcony, multiple access, and of course you have some space here as well. If you wanted to set up like some outdoor seating, you have enough space there, you know, to really sit there and enjoy the view. Recessed lighting, nice light fixtures. This is really amazing. Now you have a modern design. You got the waterfall edge here, which is really popular, especially with homes in California these days. And it's just really nice. You got a gas stove, you know, which is really awesome. A lot of people who are into culinary, you know, we prefer to cook with gas instead of the electric. And you do have a baking oven here, which is very, very convenient. Look, I'm telling you, this apartment is fully featured. You have a double sink with amazing fixture, pull out handheld. You know, this is a chef's kitchen. Open, you know, it layout here that's just really beautiful. And of course you have your lighting here as well. Wonderful, huge fridge here, digital inverter. You have your ice and water dispenser there. So look, this is the ultimate pad. Wanted just to give you the tour here and walk into the primary bedroom. Also, you have this amazing view here. Look at this amazing view from your bedroom. Flat screen TV is installed here. We have a queen size bed, which is really nice and very comfortable. All right. So I'll say on a scale 1 to 10, that will be an 8. On the comfort scale, 7 to 8. You have a nice vanity here for makeup, side desks, side tables, table lamps as well. And you have the power, of course, so you can keep your devices charged, right? And then the closet, your walk-in closet is double-sided. So, you know, you could have your his and her or just her. Those who are married will understand, right? So really spacious, all right? Got your upper, you have some, you know, drawer space there as well. You know, that's a nice touch to give you some more added space there. All right, so just wanted to show you that. And the bathrooms are amazing. These fixtures are really modern, nice floating vanity there. You walk into the shower, okay? You got your rainfall shower head. This is an enclosed shower with your glass door. That goes all the way up there too. But they do have the vent, of course, to steam out. Very silent vent, by the way. I mean, I'm putting my camera all the way up there. I wonder how loud it is, but I can barely hear it. So really nice fixtures here. Really modern bath. And of course, this opens up for you. Right, so you have a nice medicine cabinet for storage. This one opens as well. All right, Saigon Cribs, please like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, now, I do want to mention that there are fire safety, okay, inside of this apartment. Look at, there are sprinklers throughout the apartment. You know, not just in the main room like some are set up. There are fire sprinkler systems throughout the apartment. Just want to mention that as, you know, just a safety tip. And also want to mention, just going back to the kitchen here, you have ample storage space here. Ample storage space. You know, like I said, this is a chef's kitchen. So if you are a chef, you have plenty of space for storing all your pots and pans and cooking and eating utensils. All right. Living room, large L-shaped sofa, really comfortable. Nice coffee table there. And again, you have your large flat screen TV, TCL, looks like a large 42-inch, and it's curved with the Dolby sound, already built-in speakers there. So it will serve as a nice entertainment system, and it's also on the swivel. So you could bring the TV out here and you could face while you're cooking. So just putting out some of the features there. You have your power plug there, which is really a nice touch. And also want to mention just the design. You here in these apartments, the AC system is built in. So you don't have, the big air box, hanging on your wall. It's integrated and it has a nice look there. So just want to point out some of those design differences that you'll find here at City Garden. Really nice. And this is the second bedroom. Nice closet. Will serve as a decent second bedroom for an adult. But of course it's spacious enough, for someone's child, for a family, if you're looking to rent an apartment like this, right? Also will mention great view here, by the way. Oh, let me point out over here, for those who are into golf, that is a golf range and it's pretty much in your backyard. FYI, of those who are golfers, there's a golf range near you. Yeah, this is a bridge here. Oh, sorry, this is the subway. So this is the subway coming soon. A little bit outside of the apartment tour now, but just FYI, that's the metro. Ho Chi Minh City's first metro system that's coming here soon. And wow, you get to see it go by every day here. That's really cool. All right, so back to the tour. So really nice secondary bedroom. You got a lot of storage space here. You got your drawer space, which is really big, goes really deep. So you can store a lot here, all right? You got plenty of storage space here. There's another cabinet there for hanging more things, and your upper and lower shelf there. There's another cabinet here. Geez, okay, a lot of storage space, all right? Lots of storage space. Side table lamp, and your plugs to keep your devices charged, all right? Really nice hotel quality linens there. This is a service closet there. Again, really nice bathroom, modern fixtures. Really lovely. All right, again, you have your rainfall shower head and your handheld. So really nice there. Medicine cabinet. Look at these fixtures. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Really nice. Of course, everyone has a bidet. Okay, really nice modern bidet. Lower shelves there under the hanging vanity. Look, contact us here at Saigon Cribs. I'll give you the full tour. And this apartment is available now. So you should act now. Oh, before I end the tour, there is a washer and dryer. So just want to point that out. There is a washer and dryer. Behind that, let me turn on the light here. Behind that, this is your water heater. So this gives you the central hot water in all of your bathroom sinks, your vanities, and your kitchen sinks. So FYI on that. and your entryway with lots of storage space here as well. It's a ton of storage space. I've been saying that a lot here. So again, hit me on WhatsApp and let's chat about this wonderful apartment that's available now. This view could be yours. Yeah.
One day, I believe in the future. I believe in the past. I believe what you truly desire, you can bring to pass. All you need is a focus and a story to hold, and the faith that you can achieve what's inside your soul. Someday we'll make it on by. Other days we only can